Okay, the goal today is to tell you guys a lot of important info as it's the last 2 sea days of the cruise and we're done.
That's sweet.
Okay, cool. So we have our cards.
Okay.
It's really easy, just a Mexican bingo. She has the shiny one, I got the plain one.
Oh, the tea, just the tea. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to another beautiful sea day. That is right, we have another sea day. I'm so excited. Unfortunately, we're leaving Cabo. We're probably still in the Mexican waters for now, and then tomorrow we'll be back in the US waters next to California because we are ending up in LA, California. This cruise is coming to an end and we feel it. We in fact have to pack tomorrow. Today we have a couple of events, really fun. We're gonna drink, we're gonna explore all the bars. I'm gonna give you guys the most information. Stay up to date, like, subscribe. I really want to give you guys all the tips that I can think of starting this morning with the cabin, the whole cruise itself, what questions you should be asking. It's gonna be fun. Good morning
To you.
I doubt we will get in, but let's try razzle-dazzle for breakfast. And there is no line, but let's see. Alright, we're gonna come back to razzle-dazzle at 9:30 to have breakfast. We kind of missed a place for breakfast though. It's only been once. We've only gotten lucky once, so. Coffee. Coffee shop. Grounds Club too is pretty packed as well. Waiting for razzle-dazzle. Alright, one last attempt. 9:30. Let's see if they honor that. Alright, so I got my wish. We have the razzle-dazzle. Here we got it. Razzle-dazzle for breakfast. Okay, the goal today is to tell you guys a lot of important info as it's the last 2 sea days of the cruise and we're done. Alright, so for razzle-dazzle breakfast, you'll want to book it as soon as you can book it on the app, even when you're at home. So before the cruise even starts, you can book that. And if you don't, you can do walk-ins. Now walk-ins are a little more tough to get to, but sometimes they tell you to come back in like 30 minutes and you can do the walk-in. If I would have known, I would have booked razzle-dazzle about 30 days in advance before the cruise starts. Depending on what package you choose, you can do 45 days, 30 days, or 15 days in advance. Oh my goodness, we got just about the same thing. Look at all the bacon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And
Ever.
we have our bacon, best bacon ever. We have people complaining of how good this is. Right?
Because how we're going to do it at home now.
How we're gonna do it doesn't make sense. But we have the fries, ketchup, chicken sandwich, and we have it here as well. And I got some eggs on the side. This might be our last time in razzle-dazzle. Oh no. Okay, we gotta give razzle-dazzle
For breakfast?
a score for breakfast.
5 out of 5 for breakfast.
5 out of 5. We're gonna say bye to Rojo Razzle-dazzle because I don't think we're coming here again. So we will see you later from the brilliant lady. See you later next time. Maybe Alaska, maybe another cruise. I don't know. But we'll see. On this fine sea day, actually about a week ago, we decided to do what is called Loteria Gigante. Now it's kind of like the Mexican bingo. It starts from 11 a.m. It goes till 12:30 p.m. It's going to be a fun event because we're going to get 2 cocktails with the mix here. Very fun vibes. It's going to be a pink agave. It's about to start in 15 minutes, so we better go. This event actually costs $40 per person. So you get the 2 cocktails. You can decide if it's worth it or not. But we're going to go do that. I'll show you guys everything. And at the end, we're going to give a rating. So much fun. Let's do it. $40 US per person. Are you ready to day drink?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready to play Loteria?
Mm-hmm. I've never done it.
Are you ready to learn?
Have you ever played it?
Yeah, I played it. I used to play when I was little.
Okay.
Yeah.
Escalera! Oh!
That's a lot of salt.
Jesus. Bye-bye.
Cheers. That's sweet.
Okay, cool. So we have our cards.
Okay.
It's really easy, just a Mexican bingo. She has the shiny one, I got the plain one. But yeah, I remember the catfish, I remember molcajete, I remember the skeleton.
Millennial Loteria? Is this our
Millennial?
Millennial?
Yeah.
That's cute.
That's fun, yeah. So they did ask us if we want to be social. We said not really, so we're sitting here instead of over there.
In like a regular one. what?
No, I mean I
Bottle
used to
caps?
use beans.
Oh, beans. Oh.
Yeah, but they have bottle caps. That's fun. Cool. And look, we get the little cacahuates. That's fun.
Yeah.
So far, so good. We have our drink, and then we have our bingo card, loteria card. We even have cacahuates to munch on. And then we have these little bottle caps that we're gonna put as they call out the cards. So it's gonna be fun. First time doing it. If you guys done it, let me know your experience. I think it's about 40 US per person. Let's get to it.
That you chose. Oh yeah, remember that because we are now responsible for what you chose, darling. Selfie.
La selfie.
Yeah, that's it.
Cordless.
La selfie.
What's it look like?
It's like a sirena.
It's got our
Oh,
gorgeous
okay.
mermaid taking a
Nope.
picture. She's not resilient, valiant, brilliant, but she is gorgeous.
La selfie.
Should we take a selfie?
Right? Got it.
Best place to take a selfie is in that mirror hallway. Australia! That's why he said it's so deep, because he's from the land.
Okay, to me it seems like we can get more than 2 drinks. So I'm gonna test it out. This is my second so far, and I think we're only 30 minutes in. Fun little game, but I think this might be worth your while if you can drink. Because if I get up to 4 or 5 drinks, that's not bad. It's pretty fun. I'm on my 3rd drink now. Palomas for the win.
From Puerto Rico.
And they're about to do a little dance off over there. You can get as much drink as you want. I think I've confirmed.
American
So this might be worth your while. All right, that was a 5 out of 5. Really fun. Loteria Gigante, you get a shot and then you get like as much drinks as you want. It was about an hour activity. Fun. We didn't win, but the people who did got little virgin prizes, so that was pretty cool. It's a full house. I mean, it got sold out, so it's roughly, I'd say about 50 people. It was a good time, good vibes. Very Americanized, to be honest. I thought it was a little more Mexicano style, but it's all right. It's fun. I got the DJ playing some mix, and look, nobody's in the pool right now. Of course, I got my chocolate ice cream. I'm gonna get a cookie, put it in here, and mix it all for a really good dessert. Another major tip when you get on the ship, book all the activities, all the dinners, everything you want in the app because everything does sell out pretty quick. Then you can make last minute changes if you're lucky, but otherwise book all your activities as soon as you get on the ship. Take 30 minutes to look through the schedule for your sailing. This one's a 16-nighter, so that's why it's a little difficult to book so far in advance. But for those 4 nights, 5 nights, 7 nights, it's not too bad. Go ahead and look at the schedule, and you can pretty quickly make out what you want to do. If you ever need some advice when you're booking your Virgin cruise, they will have an option where you can add the gratuities, which are $20 per person per day. Be aware that you should add that up front. Don't wait last minute to add it because it will be an extra $2 per person per day. Why? I don't know. But just add it all into your price. It's a gorgeous, beautiful, sunny, bright day in the ocean. Anyways, we made some very last changes to our dinner plans. We had the wake scheduled at 6 p.m. We love the sunsets here so much that we decided to cancel that one and rebook with extra virgin because we love extra virgin as well. This will be the 3rd and final time. Anyways, we're going to enjoy the sunset. I'm going to get a few steps in, probably go to the gym, enjoy the rest of the evening. And here is the bike room. You will see many bikes. You can schedule this every single morning. They have morning and afternoon classes, so don't forget to check the app. It is so important. Or you can get the paper that you'll see at any coffee shop for all the information on all the classes, not just this one. Now, if you want some regular coffee, you're gonna come to these little stations. They got coffee, tea, anything you want. This is not extra. This is included. Don't forget, this is the regular coffee. If you are a smoker, you cannot smoke on the balconies. You cannot smoke in the room, but you can come to the Sun Club Cafe, which is this side. I'm right here. And the smoking section is right on the other side, right where those tables are. So there are plenty of spaces there. It's never too busy. Don't forget to bring a red outfit. It can be a red shirt, red shoes, red pants, anything. You will have a scarlet night on your sailing, and that is the best night of the cruise by far. So much partying, good times, good vibes. It's really fun, other than the sail away party. I really appreciate everyone liking, subscribing, sharing, all the good stuff. We're gonna celebrate with one last bottle of champagne. We saved it for the end. So thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, watching the videos. Cruise is almost done. This is the second to the last day. Let's enjoy some champagne. As we are getting ready for dinner, I was like just kind of curious, thinking about how many miles have we covered or would have covered by the end of this trip. And I'm seeing that AI is saying 3,000 to 4,000 nautical miles from Miami through the Panama Canal to LA. I'm gonna try to find specifics, but anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 miles, that is beyond our longest cruise that we've ever taken. That is a lot of distance. Another major tip. Now you can bring alcoholic beverages to your dinner, but make sure that you do not bring a bottle that hasn't been opened to the restaurant, because if they open it for you, they're gonna charge a $15 corkage fee. So make sure you open it at your room, bring your glass, and you're ready to go. Alright, our table for tonight, we have a full-on menu, same stuff, nothing different about it, and then we have cocktails on this side. Happy to be an extra virgin. I'm gonna order pasta, probably the meatballs because they're amazing, and we still have yet to be served, so just got here, but it's pretty busy. Scheduled at last minute. We did have the wake, but we decided to do this one for the very last time, and then tomorrow we have a different dinner, but we'll explain that tomorrow. Bread with olive oil to start. Yeah, I love that. We have our favorite meatballs in the world. What are they called? I forgot. Well, we'll put the name right here.
Braised something.
Braised. Okay.
Braised mini meatballs.
So 5 pieces come together. We recommend this for sure.
Bacon?
And they have bacon on top, which is kind of new. I don't remember that. But I do have my Parmigiano cheese. I asked for 2 to 3 pieces. They give me 4. That's very considerate.
So we ordered the lamb girella. Looks so pretty. And then I have the mushroom fettuccine. It's both our first time ordering it, so let's see.
Well, you guessed it. For dessert, we're having meatballs once again. Look at this. We got another order of meatballs because it's so freaking good. And then they add bacon on it, which makes it even better. It is so good. Guys, get the meatballs when you're in Extra Virgin. You have to. One of the best restaurants as far as all the restaurants. But all of them are the best. Okay, I like the tacos, please. Yeah. That's so fun.
Oh, the tea, just the tea. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
All right, Extra Virgin. What do you give it?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Amazing. I think we made the right decision to go to Extra Virgin.
Then the wake, yeah.
Then the wake.
Yeah.
We love the wake, but Extra Virgin, it's like just different levels. So.
But it's you know what, the wake is good if you love steak. So
Yes.
it really depends on the kind of food that you like.
Yeah, you want Italian or you want American?
Yeah.
I mean, it's subjective, right?
Yeah.
It's your taste.
Yep.
But we love both. We love both, really.
Yeah.
But I
depends
think
on the mood.
Extra
depends
Virgin,
on what kind of food you want.
just a little more. Just a little more. All right, see ya. If you want a tattoo, you can go right there. Squid Ink. Tattoos.
Now, nearly every culture has their own version of how the night sky came to be. What those
Well, we went out to enjoy the evening just for literally 20 minutes. It was okay. We're just really tired. We're gonna head back to the cabin. We'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Squid ink salmon flatbread. That looks good. Hey, calm down.
Oh, calm.
Hey.
I'm calm now. Look at this. Look at how pretty that is.
Virgin. The
It just
best
looks glam.
dessert in the world.